Welcome to our channel. Today we try to see the car window wiper system using the servo motor frame. So for this project, so what are the things that are required? The most important one will be the Arduino Uno. I am keeping over here, friends. This is the Arduino Uno R3. The most important The second most important thing will be the servo motor. The servo motor is having the three connections. We try to see it in soon, friends. I am keeping over here. In order to get the power, and flashing of this one, we need to have USB A to B. I am keeping over here, friends. So this breadboard I am giving for an supporting. It's not a major involvement in this one, friends. And I'm taking the three a male to male and I'm keeping over here in order to connect it to the servo motor thread. I need as a couple of an accessories to make the things trend. So for this one I need a cardboard, I need a paper, I need the scissor, I need to have it as a stapler and the Fevikwik thread. And with using of all this one I try to make it as an it looks like a car window and the holder which is holding the servo motor, friends. So for this one these are the things that are required, friends. Now let us see the connection. So I am taking the Arduino Uno and I am keeping onto the here so that it cannot be moved. So like this I am holding on to it, friends. So next, I am taking the servo motor. As you see, this has a three connection springs. So now I am taking as an orange. Orange is the signal. So I need to drive it so that I am taking on to the 8th or 9th. Maybe you can, based on the things you can take it. In my case, I am taking the 9th one frame. Now, if we see the middle one, it is the red. So it is a 5 volt sprint. So I am taking here and I am making to the 5 volt sprint. So here is the 5 volt. And the third one is nothing but the ground. I am taking on to the ground here and I am moving on to the board. There is a ground signal is there. I am connecting. So this is the signal frame. And now let me take it onto this. So I am keeping the servo motor into this small rectangle, which is the things you have seen it. So I am turning and I am keeping like this, friend, so that it is visible to you. I am keeping like this, and the needle holder. So I took something and make it as an with the cardboard with the help of the cardboard. These things, friends. So I am making the thing and connecting to here. So now you need to make it as a one direction so that it can. Now I'm taking USB A to B cable.
Sorry, if you go to the files and if you can go to the example, there is a servo, there is a sweep, friends, SWEEP. I am adjusting over here, and now we can see the code, friends. So this is hash include servo.h. So this is the library where we are using the controlling the servo motor, friends. So the servo, this is my servo. I am allocating this is a class instance is a my servo, so I can use my servo in my code. This is my servo dot attach. This is the pin number 9. So this is I am giving for here, friends. In the setup function, in the loop functions, in the for loop 0 to 180 degrees, making as an one step. So I am changing over here, friends, making as a 2 steps, and then making as an 25 millisecond as a delay. And similarly this 180 to 0 degrees I am decreasing with as a 2 degree and making as an 25 millisecond. As per the interest you can modify the delay and the step size, this angle you want. Now let me go to the sketch, verify and compile, and then flash it, friends. Now it is uploading, so it has been done successfully, friends. Now let me flash it, so it is connected. So now the connecting board is work. You can check it and then flash it, friends. So this is simple code. This is only two function. One is attach, another one is write. With respect to the class, this is my servo dot attach, my servo dot write. The position is the angle. This is a typically 0 to 180. This is only 0 to 180 angle. Let's try to take it, friends.
Here is the demo, you can watch it. Please let me know how you felt about this demo. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, friends. Thank you, friends.